客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we got music here from Kapoli and her band, who hopes to use youthful energy and karaoke-inspired style to create music that resonates with everyone. Now, one of the songs on this album, called Let's See, or Ên兜来看, draws on the experiences of Kapoli, who suffers from ADHD, and she uses it to encourage those struggling with it into society. So let's take a listen.
Hey, Ên兜來看，同我嘅行巴跳前嘅你。Hey, Ên兜來看，同我嘅用種皮鞋嚟ดู嘅你。Hey, Ên兜來看，一年嘅寒天對切嘅你。Hey, Ên兜來看，愛難道你難道愛？喺世界都開始前進嘅你哋哦，喺凡事都合忙做錯嘅你哋哦，喺骨頭鬧面係強下嘅你哋哦，喺愛到嘅你哋哦。加油！嘿，Ên兜來看，你懂愛嘅太開嚟到嘅你。哎，Ên兜來看，三千二輪日流天陽度嘅愛老你。嘿，Ên兜來看，你是年嘅春天笑容滿面嘅你。哎，Ên兜來看，愛想到你，看到愛。
听到的是黄稚嘉和丹霓组成的少女卡拉乐团，而黄稚嘉身为 ADHD 的患者，透过这首歌 Ên兜来看，我们来看，来鼓励在人生各阶段努力学习大人与社会规则的朋友，即使生命中有很多遗憾和不如意，也能记起那些美好的回忆，珍惜拥有的一切，勇敢前行。What an encouraging song by Kapoli. Let's see, and thank you for listening to another Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.